In this Lakeland Life update, we're going to talk about the Munn Park Enhancement Project, the Chapel Bar, and a new restaurant coming to the south side. Let's get started. Welcome to the Lakeland Life, a channel dedicated to the Swan City. Our first topic is the Munn Park Enhancement Project. The city just posted some of the first renderings of the park renovation, and boy did they swing for the fences. This project has literally everything thrown in it. Dog park, check. Parkour course, check. Food vendors, check. Futuristic egg swings, also check. Ever since the relocation of the Confederate monument in its center, Lakeland's beloved Munn Park has been left a bit barren. There's been a lot of speculation and ideas thrown around of what to put in Munn Park, and it looks like the city has opted for all of them. Without surprise, the digital renderings were not welcomed by all Lakelanders, as the super bright colors and hodgepodge of ideas seems to clash with the more subdued and historic aesthetic of the park's surroundings. I, for one, see the renderings more akin to a Legoland attraction than a historic park, but keep in mind these are just digital renderings. I'm sure the final result is going to be more subdued and fit in with the historic surroundings. I will put a link in the description to the city's proposal so you can view the plans for yourself and give the city direct feedback on what you feel should go in our beloved Munn Park. Speaking of things not fitting in with their surroundings, city commissioners just recently rejected the idea to turn a vacant church on North Massachusetts Avenue into a bar and event space called the Chapel. Many city officials, including the mayor, had spoken out against the project, and city commissioners agreed this week on a 5-2 vote to reject the permit for the new space. Owners of the project tried to sidestep the unwanted sacrilegious feedback by changing the name from the Chapel to the Garden Room, but the damage was already done. With several members of the community present to dissent against the project, it looks like this event space and bar will have to find a new building to call home. I understand the immediate outcry of putting a bar in a church and calling it the Chapel, but that space has been vacant for over 5 years. What do you think would be a good viable business in that spot? Leave me a comment with your thoughts. Buckle up, Cheese Curds fans. It was announced that a third Culver's is going to be coming to the Swan City. The new location will be in South Lakeland on the corner of South Florida Avenue and Christina Boulevard, bringing the beloved Wisconsin-based chain to even more Lakelanders. Now, this is one I am personally excited for, as it'll be the closest location to me, and I am unapologetically a big Culver's fan. No joke, I even have a Culver's hat. My son gave me this for Christmas because he knows how much I love it. So if you are like me and you can't wait to get your curds and custards cravings met, the new location should be a welcome sign for South Lakelanders. Well, that's it for this Lakeland Life update. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like or consider subscribing. Until next time, enjoy the Lakeland Life.